As Thanksgiving approaches, an important reminder about carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. 92-year-old Raymond Magaro died after a fire in his Westfield home Monday morning. His Victorian home did not have any smoke or carbon monoxide alarms.
Tomorrow, when they're at Thanksgiving dinner, everybody gets together and says, hey, Grandma, Grandpa, they don't have smoke detectors or carbon monoxide detectors in their home. Let's get them in there. I can honestly say that if there was working smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors in this gentleman's home, that there's a good chance that he would be alive today.
And that fire Monday was caused by a faulty furnace. Heating systems are the leading cause of carbon monoxide poisoning and a very common cause of fires.